Hi, my name is Greg Atkins. I am the founder and the principal for Atkins Ink and another company called Interactors. I'm in the entertainment industry in the Los Angeles area, and when I discovered the futures, I thought it was a really interesting business model. Part of my business is storytelling, and part of storytelling is visuals. And so I was looking for someone, a design company, that could bring the visuals that I wanted to life. Whether it was logos, if it was letterhead, whether it was specific company designs that I wanted to explore. The great thing about the futures is I'm in a business of communication, and it's all about constant communication, feedback, getting information back and forth. And I was so impressed with the level of communications that I got with the futures. The gentleman that was my primary designer contacted me daily, get feedback, coming up with ideas. It was a symbiotic relationship where we were going back and forth, coming up with ideas, and he wanted to make sure that I was happy with every single design that I got. And I believe I got 8 designs over the course of a couple weeks that I was looking for. They're exactly what I needed, and I got really good feedback on them. So I had a great project leader who was constantly in communication with me. We shared ideas, going back and forth. I had ideas, he had ideas. He was clarifying exactly what I wanted, and I was trying to describe to him the feelings that I wanted to evoke in these designs. And it was a great symbiotic relationship. I can't say enough about the speed, and also the final product was exactly what I was looking for. The feedback that I've gotten from my customers and the people that I work with has been amazing.